Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished professor, fellow participant of the International Conference on Social Science, ICONES 2025, and my esteemed invite guest. My name is Puji Astuti, and I am certainly pursuing my master degree in primary education at University Muhammadiyah Purwokerto, Indonesia. It is a great honor and privilege for me to be here and to take part in this prestigious international seminar. Today, I am pleased to present my research entitled The Effect of Collaboration Learning Teams Games Tournament, type on collaboration skill and learning achievement of class 5 students in SKIN subject Penyarang State Primary School 1 and 4, Sidarja District, Cilacap, Regency. A. Background of the problem. In today's modern era, technological advances are developing rapidly in all areas of life. This can make human life easier, so that the ease of using technology becomes a necessity, especially for the younger generation. For example, the use of gadgets. The sophistication of the feature available on gadgets such as online games, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and other applications make most of the current generation for interest in gadgets that their surroundings. Next B, problem identification. 1. In the learning process, teachers still broadly use lecture of conventional method. And 2. Lack of teacher awareness in implementing various learning models in the classroom when teaching science. And 3. Teachers have not actively involved students to collaborate. They tend to only listen and lack not for the teacher explanation. And 4, lack of use of learning media by teacher is cause students to quickly get bored in reviewing lesson. And 5, still allow student learning achievement in science subject. The next C, formulation problem. First, how does the Teams Games Tournament type of cooperative learning affect the collaboration skill of grade 5 students in the science subject at Penyarang on one State Elementary School? And second, how does the Teams Games Tournament type of cooperative learning affect the learning achievement of grade 5 students in the subject of science at Penyarang 1 State Elementary School? And then G, research purpose. 1. To analyze the influence of cooperative learning type Teams Games Tournament on the collaboration skill of grade 5 students in the subject of science at Penyarang 1 and 4 State Elementary School. And 2. To analyze the influence of cooperative learning type Teams Games Tournament on the learning achievement of grade 5 students in the subject of science at Penyarang 1 and 4 State Elementary School. In theoretical basic, there are 21 century skill. 21 century skill are more international, multicultural, and interconnected. Indicator of student success are no longer based on their level of success in doing manual work. The indicator skill collaboration in 1. Cooperation. Students are said to be able to collaborate if they can work together effectively in group and with diverse teams. And 2. Contribution. Students are said to be able to collaborate if each individual can contribute to the team and can adapt to all team members. And 3. Responsibility. Students are said to be able to collaborate if they are responsible for teamwork, can lead team member and have initiative and can manage themselves. And 4. Compromise. Students are said to be able to collaborate if they can deliberate in solving problems in group and compromise to achieve common goals. And 5. Communication. Students are said to be able to collaborate if effective communication. The third theoretical basis, there are 3 learning achievement. According to Blood, which quoted by the Damara, performance in which has can created result which pleasant heart which obtained with tenacity work. Theoretical basic in 4 is learning cooperative type times games tournament TGT. TGT cooperative learning is one type of cooperating learning where in TGT students are divided into study team consisting of 4 to 5 people with different level of ability, gender, and ethnic background. Next framework of talk. The first collaboration skill and learning achievement grade 5 student is the science subject art law. Next, cooperative learning Times Games Tournament type TGT, and then collaboration skill grade 5 student is science subject, and learning achievement grade 4 student is science subject. The next, action hypothesis. The first, there is an influence of cooperative learning type tip games tournament TGT on the collaboration skill of grade 5 student in the subject of science at Penyarang 1 State Elementary School. And second, there is a influence of cooperative learning type teams games tournament TGT on the learning achievement of grade 5 student in the subject of science or Penyarang 1 State Elementary School. In chapter 3, there are type and design of research. The research used in the study is quantitative descriptive research, and the research method used in the explanatory survey method. In chapter 3, the next B, place and time of research. The first, research place. The location of this research is at Penyarang 1 Public Elementary School, Penyarang Village, Sidarja District, Cilacap Regency. And the second research time, the research was conducted in the even semester of the 2023 and 2024 academic year in April. The next, population and sample. The population in this study was all students of Penyarang 1 Public Elementary School, 109 students, and Penyarang 4 Public Elementary School, 125 students in the 2023 and 2024 academical year to show that the total population was 234 students. The next, data collection technique. Data collection technique in this study are as follows. 1. Observation of student activities. And 2. Questionnaire for student collaboration skill. And 3. Documentation of learning activities. And 4. Multiple choice rate for science learning assessment. The next, data analysis technique. Before conducting data analysis testing, prerequisite analysis, the test was first conducted, namely by test the normality and homogeneity between subjects in the experimental class and the control class. Chapter 4A, result discussion. The first, collaboration skill. They are independent test, and B, mean collaboration score, and the second, learning achievement, and A, independent test, and B, average value of learning achievement. Next, B, discussion. The first, collaboration skill. They are high social interaction, and 2, effective communication, and 3, mutual support in TGT learning. The next, the second, learning achievement. They are active student involvement, and 2, high learning motivation, and 3, deeper understanding. The last part is the conclusion. The first, there is an influence of cooperative learning of the team games tournament type on the collaboration skill of class 5 students in the science and science subject at Penyarang State Elementary School 1 and 4 with the result of the independent test a significance value P of 0.008 was obtained 0.5. And 2, there is an influence of cooperative learning of the Times Games tournament type on the learning achievement of class 5 students in science and science subject at Penyarang 1 and 4 State Elementary School with the result of independent test, a significance value P of 0.002 was obtained 0.5 with a class average score of 17.8. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the material for me. I'm sorry there are still many deficiencies, and thank you.